Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by inspecting the disk surface under bright light for fingerprints or visible scratches. Clean gently with a lint-free microfiber cloth using radial strokes from center to edge. If scratches exist, try a commercial disk repair kit following the included instructions closely. Test the disk in a different drive or on another computer to isolate the problem. Check USB or SATA cables and power connections to the optical drive for secure seating. Update or reinstall the device driver in your operating system if the disk still fails. For mild scratches, apply a small amount of non-gel toothpaste as a polishing agent. Spread toothpaste gently and buff with a soft cloth using outward radial motions for 2 minutes. Rinse the disk with lukewarm water and dry completely before testing in a drive. For severe damage, professional resurfacing or replacement is often necessary and more reliable. Always back up important data early to avoid permanent loss when disks fail to read. Consider making ISO image copies using a working drive to preserve files before repair it. If hardware seems fine, run disk utility software to check file system integrity and errors. On Windows, run chkdsk with the appropriate flags and monitor for bad sector reports. Use reliable recovery tools to image the disk sector by sector before attempting file repairs. Avoid writing to the damaged disk to prevent overwriting recoverable data and worsening errors. Update drive firmware and operating system drivers to resolve compatibility issues affecting readability. If recovery fails, consult professional data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.